Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone. Map apps installed by Google Play Store. Map apps very important every people. Different types of location. Unknown place tag, unknown road tags, unknown home tags, and human body tags, mobile phone tags, and every work. Different types of work using Google Maps apps, but physical activity not allow problem face. Many people complain map apps physical activity not allow problem face. This video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. Now search your mobile phone setting icon. When get setting icon and click on this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now search option types and manage apps types and click. Already showing manage apps upper side and click. Your mobile phone total apps, internal external total apps showing this mobile phone display. Now search manage apps types and click. Already show manage apps option and click. Apps permission option showing. Apps permission option click and physical activity not allow showing allow physical activity. Already your problem is solved. Thank you watching my video.